Hello everyone. My name is Leanne, and I may have you for some of my other classes, and if I do, hello again. um, I've been taking classes at TSTC since 2018, the fall semester. So I really like photography and stuff, but I've never really come around to use a camera. So I actually recently just got this camera. It's Canon PowerShot SX420. Um, yeah, so it's going to be really cool learning about like the different stuff like within the camera and how to use it and like like just to take photos and stuff like that. I think I'm really interested in learning photography and so I can take photos and stuff since I've been interested in it for a while. Um, Well, it's going to be a great semester and it's going to be great working with everyone here. So, thank you.